right, so welcome guys. Good morning, good afternoon, good evening to you guys anywhere you are around this world. It is Zagatech FX. This is the first video series of this financial market training or lectures or know-how, and today is just the marks the first day of this video. So I'm gonna just give you guys a short highlight and what you need to see and what you need to do and what is coming your way, guys. So first of all, I have a Telegram channel where you can be able to join and to see my lectures, my video lectures, which will be which will be coming up almost frequently or every time, so you can be able to understand financial market. So guys, if you are a new guy, if you are new into financial market, like it's forex trading, if you are new into cryptocurrency trading, if you are new into binary option trading, so I need you guys, all I want you to do is just to calm down, have that passion that you want to learn this. Definitely you're gonna learn it very well. You understand? Devote that time, you're gonna learn it and you understand it very well. So if someone comes to you and tell you this and that, you can be able to analyze whatever the person is showing you, or look into what the person is showing you, because you already have that knowledge. All right, let's dive into this. This is my website, zagatechfx.com. You can move it to the website and you can go through it. Now, coming to this website, you can see my social media handle here, and you can also sign up for a broker and other things. Here now, you can be able to sign up. Sign up for a broker. This is the broker I use currently. You understand? This broker I use currently. And if you have any question about brokers, you can be able to ask me, send me a DM on my WhatsApp. This is my number here. This number here is my WhatsApp number. You can send a message to my email address, and can join my Telegram group. From there, you can join my my group and assignment group on the channel group, where I post lectures often and on. So this is just a first video about this. So you can sign up for a broker here. Then you can sign up for a PAM account. This PAM account is for those that understands forex, that that the company that wants Zagatech FX to manage your account. Like you have $10,000, $15,000, $20,000, and you want Zagatech to manage your account. You can be able to sign up here. And we move in and we trade. And we trade for you. You make profit. The copy trade, we all know about copy trade. We have. Then here you can join my Telegram channel, where I post lectures, because this is the first video. An upcoming video that's going to come up, I will give you the list of videos, just 2 or 3 videos that are going to come up before we dive into the real lectures. That's going to make us that it's going to be so enticing, guys, because we all learn together. You understand? Now after with that, then I in my channel I uploaded a PDF for you to go through it, because I want everyone to follow. Like I don't want anybody to be lagging behind. I want everyone to follow and to flow with the lecture, with the video. You understand? So I tried my best to break down all these things in a light form, so you can be able to go through it step by step. Like this the PDF is in the Telegram. So the link for the Telegram is below this video. In the description of this video, you can get the link below there. The link for the channel is still there. The link for the group is still there. The assignment group is still there. So you can join the group and follow the lectures and do every necessary things that's been asked of you to do. Now, this is the PDF. You can get it in the Telegram channel, where you can study it. You have like 1 week, 3 days, or 1 week, 4 days for you to study all these things, read it very well. So when I will be publishing the video, and I will be using those terms to speak or to talk in the video, you'll be capturing it very clearly and very well on this financial market, for you to understand how it works. With this knowledge, you can be able to trade cryptocurrency. You can be able to trade binary options and stocks, all the stuff in the market. So this is just a breakthrough. And secondly, guys, if you have, listen very carefully, if you have knowledge about forex, just pretend you don't have. So if you know and you want to know more, just zero your mind that you don't know, you will learn. As I said, we learn together. Remember, we are all growing. You understand? We are all growing in this industry. And we are in the 21st century, where all this is coming up, where everybody wants to make money. You understand? Now, this is the PDF, where you guys got to go through it one by one. So you can go through it 2 times, 3 times for you to sink inside you. Then after that, this is let me close this off. Coming to my website, this is the what do you call it, the lectures. What I mean by lectures is just like a post I posted on my website. When you go to my website, you can see this. Then I want you guys, you can read through them. What tools does the have? That is the market makers. What tools do the dealer and the broker have? We all know about brokers, or I'll still explain that in the upcoming video. Then I want you to go through this to this last what do I call it, this last post here. Invest in yourself before you invest in the market. This is a PDF. So I want you guys to download this PDF. Like, click here and download this on my website. When you click on it, it will be downloaded to your system, to be downloaded to you, for you to, you know, to read and go through. This is very vital. This is what you need to have in mind, guys. This is exactly what you need to have in mind, so you can be able to, you know, understand this financial market, guys. So this is psychological stuff. You know, trading is more like 80% psychology, you know, training and all of this stuff. So this is the thing I listed out. See, you can go through it, you can download it here. When using your phone, you can download it. Using your laptop, you can read this and download them to your desktop and go through it very well. All right, sorry guys. Now you can go through this. Then if you or if you're already trading and you want to have little knowledge about this little called price action, because a lot of us hear about price action, you can also move to this post here on my website on lectures, guys. Lectures on my site. You can click on it, can go through this, the highlight of what you're going to see, and you can download the PDF here and go through it. But first of all, for newbies, for those who wants to start learning, to start accumulating that knowledge of forex trading, when someone tells you about forex trading, you can be able to say, yes, I know what it is, and I know I have like 70% knowledge of about forex trading. When we talk about cryptocurrency, yes, I can be able to analyze charts. I can be able to analyze this chart. I can be able to predict that this coin is going to go high, this coin is going to drop. I can be able to see charts on different platforms like Binance or crypto trade platform, or this FX, all these trading crypto trading platform, which we all know, which most of us knows about. Then forex trading too, to trade currency pairs, to dictate when it's going to go up or go down under prediction level. So all these things is what you got to learn from Zagatech FX. And this time around, okay, that's it for the website. And you can be able to, you can go through the website and check things out for yourself. And this is a store where I can where I publish most systems. Like, you have what we call indicators on EA. Some people use to trade. So there's nothing in this shop yet. It's not paid. You can't pay anything here. I'll just publish it. The one that's going to pay it, you pay, and so many other things. You can contact me here. You can check the webinar I have. If I post a webinar, you can also check this out to see if you can if you are updated. But mostly, any webinar being updated here will definitely be in the Telegram channel and also be uploaded in the Facebook. So you can follow me all through this while. You can follow my Facebook, Twitter, Instagram, LinkedIn, or YouTube channel. You can subscribe to my YouTube, because everything that goes through YouTube, you must be here and the checkpoint, and it must be on Facebook, and it will be on on Telegram, and the highlights of it will be on Instagram or Twitter or LinkedIn, guys, or the video being LinkedIn. So that's just it. And for signing up, you can sign up here. Can sign up for a new broker. Just click on it. But I'm going to do a fresh video on how to sign up, the procedure to sign up for this broker account, and how to download the MT4. So this is the series of the video that's going to come up. One, I'm going to show you guys how to sign up for this broker if you're new to this financial market system. Then if you're already into financial market system, you can click here and proceed for signing up. Now, after signing up, I'll do a fresh video for signing up and verifying your account. Now, the second stage is to download an MT4 platform and log into. And then I'm going to show you, walk you guys through step by step on how you can, access the MetaTrader platform. For example, this is what I mean by MetaTrader platform. You understand? This is exactly what I mean by MetaTrader platform, guys. You see, is MT4. This MT4 platform. All these terminals. It is a terminal, MT4 terminal. We have MT5, we have CTrader, different kind of trading platform, but this is mostly what we use to trade financial markets. And you can be able to trade cryptocurrency in this platform. Like now, you can trade Ripple with USD. You can also trade Bitcoin. Is there. You can trade Bitcoin with USD, and so many. You can trade stock and other stuff. So this is the platform I'm going to walk you through. This is the second video that's going to come up. I'll walk you through step by step on how you can access it, how you can log in, how you can log into your demo accounts or live accounts and trade and place trade. Then after this video, then we'll now dive into what we call pure trading on financial market, on the charts, like to teach you the charts stuff, these things, this naked chart you see here, guys. Let me show you what I mean by naked charts. We'll now dive into learning something like this. See, this is a chart. You see? So when someone asks you to trade something like this, you'll be like, wow, how can I predict this? Maybe you want to gamble with the money you have here, guys. So this is just a naked chart, guys. Now this is what I mean by terminal. This is the second video that's going to come up. First video is how to sign up and download MT4. Second video is this terminal to walk you through on how all these things works. And all these things you are seeing in this chart, I explained them in the video, in the PDF I sent in the Telegram, the first PDF about forex trading. That is the basic knowledge you need to have before you move up into here, where you can see the price, the market order, new order, something like this, new order, market order, all those stuff. I explained it in the PDF. The price is here, the trend, and the price actions and all those stuff. I just highlighted few things in the PDF. Now let me pull this off. Now for the Palm accounts, these are for companies that wants to wants Zagatech FX to trade for them. If they have like $10,000 in the accounts, $15,000, $20,000, and what's Zagatech to manage the accounts for them, have different kind of profit shares. They can sign up here, and the Zagatech FX will trade for them, and that's it. Then copy trade, we all know about copy trade. We usually see those things on in social media platform, like Octa FX, copy trade, all those stuff. So we have a lot of copy trade platform in the world, and from different brokers, from different terminals, and from different mobile app. Now this copy trade, we'll go teach you guys how to do this. You can copy Zagatech FX, or also you can copy any other person you want to copy using this social media from this broker that Zagatech FX is using. Now you can join a Telegram channel by clicking this link here, and you can go through the website and see what more about this site, guys. You can read through. You can sign up also, and also read the disclaimer here, guys. Always read the disclaimer. All right, that's all for this. My website. You can go through it, zagatechfx.com. You can go through them. You can chat me up on WhatsApp here. You can go place a call, but chat me up on WhatsApp. You can also message me on Telegram. All right, that's all for this now. And then lastly, don't forget to invite your friends for them to partake in these lectures, partake in this training of this financial market. Share to your friends, bring them in, so they will be able to learn and understand what financial market is, and for them not to be scammed anymore. So if someone tell you you trade cryptocurrency, you know the question you got to ask the person. When someone tells you they trade Forex, you know the kind of question. You're listening to the person to know the kind of question you got to ask to the person. Or binary, you know the question you're gonna have to ask the person, because you don't want to become a novice when you don't know anything about financial market, guys. All right, thank you guys, and God bless you. See you in the next video. Bye for now. Peace.